Okay, good morning students. Today class 9th, chapter 8, motion, physics part, video, second video is there, that is part 2, acceleration. Acceleration, the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. Rate of change of velocity means the final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. That is the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. If the final velocity is v initial u, time taken t, then acceleration a will be a is equal to v minus u by t. Okay. This is the formula of acceleration. We will derive the first, second, and third equation of motion. First equation of motion I have written here, and related graph is drawn in the right side adjoining figure. In this graph, see, a body starts its motion from rest, and the initial speed is u. In 0 second, speed is u. After t second, its speed becomes v. Okay? This velocity and time graph shows acceleration. Distance time graph, you have already studied that distance time graph shows the speed. Okay? First equation of motion we will see here. If a body is start its motion with initial velocity u, after t second it becomes v with uniform acceleration a, then acceleration A is equal to slope of this graph. Acceleration, velocity time graph, the slope of this graph, I mean from x-axis to y-axis, how much slope is there, that is the acceleration. This slope will be, we can count height upon base, that is the BC upon BD. See here, slope of graph, that is BC upon BD. BC is not given, only AC and AB is given. So we can write AC minus AB. BC can be written as AC minus AB. I have written. And BD is equal to OA, the opposite side of the rectangle. Okay. Then AC is B from graph, and AB is U. You can see here. And time taken OA, that is the T. Hence, A is equal to V minus U by T. By cross multiplication, you can write AT is equal to V minus U. And by transposition, you can write this minus U will be transposed to left side. It will become plus U plus AT is equal to V. And we can write it properly. V is equal to U plus AT. That is the first equation of motion. Okay, students? The first equation of motion, you can see here, V is equal to U plus AT. For the second equation of motion, listen attentively. To find the distance covered from the velocity time graph will be area covered by the graph. Area covered by the graph will denote the distance covered. See, the graph starts from this O, A, C, D. This is the trapezium. B between point A, line AB. So we can't write the B because O, A, C, D, that is the trapezium. Okay, students? To find the distance, listen once again. To find the distance from velocity time graph, we will always find the area of enclosed graph. That enclosed graph may be trapezium, maybe triangle. We will see further also after this derivation. See, the area of trapezium OACD is equal to, you have written OACD, the distance covered S is equal to area of trapezium OACD. You can divide it into area of rectangle plus area of right angle. Area of rectangle, that is OA into AB. OABD, rectangle area will be base into this length into breadth, OA into AB. I have written here. and the area of this right angle triangle 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. See here, base is BD, height is BC. 1 by 2 BD into BC. And BC, I have written here already. BC can be written as AC minus AB because BC is not given. AB given and AC given. So BC can be written as AC minus AB. I have it here also written and here also. AC minus AB. AC is V and AB is U. V minus U. 1 by half T V minus U. From the first equation formula, that is the V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT can be put here at the place of V. We have written here U plus AT for U and minus U is already given in this formula. So minus U will cancel to plus U and you can simplify it. X is equal to UT plus half T into AT is equal to half AT square. UT plus half AT square. That is the second equation of motion. Okay, students? Welcome back, students. Now we will see the derivation of third equation of motion. Third equation of motion from adjoining graph we will derive by the finding the formula distance covered. Like second equation, we found the distance covered. In this formula, we will also found the distance covered of body. Distance covered, we have seen that in second formula, distance covered is equal to area of enclosed graph, that is the OACD. It's equal to area of trapezium OACD. Area of trapezium OACD is equal to area of trapezium formula is 1 by 2 base sum of parallel side into height. This OD and AC are the parallel side 1 by 2 sum of parallel side OC OD plus AC 1 by 2 sum of parallel side into height. Height is OA. Distance covered symbol is distance symbol is S. 1 by 2 OA. OA is U and AC is V minus AC is equal to AB minus AC minus AC is equal to V. Sorry, AC is V and OA is T. See, 1 by 2 U plus V can be written as V plus U and T from the first equation of first formula you can get the value of T. V is equal to U plus AT. We can write V minus U is equal to AT and T is equal to V minus U by A. We will put the value of T at this place, V minus U by A. By the identity, algebraic identity, A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. You already know. We can write B square minus C square. And here S. Now, by cross multiplication, we can write 2AS is equal to V square minus E square. And it can be written as E square will be written here, E square plus V square, E square plus 2AS is equal to V square, and we can write it V square is equal to E square plus 2AS. That is the third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. Once again listen to me in Hindi also. देखिए मोशन इक्वेशन न्यूटन ने जो दिया था मोशंस के जो 3 इक्वेशंस, उसमें आपने पहला इक्वेशन जो लिखा है v इक्वल टू यू प्लस एटी हमने डिराइव किया। तो v जो है फाइनल वेलोसिटी, u इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है और t टाइम टेकन, t सेकंड में वो u से v हो जाता है और एक्सीलरेशन यूनिफॉर्म है जो a है। इससे आप फर्स्ट इक्वेशन डिराइव किया। सेकंड इक्वेशन में जो इसी ग्राफ से, सेम ग्राफ से तीनों डेरिवेशन होगा। तीनों डेरिवेशन के लिए एक ही बार वो स्टेटमेंट जो लिखा जाएगा यू वी ए क्या है वो मैंने लिखा था, एक ही बार लिखा जाएगा। ग्राफ का फिगर भी एक ही बार बनेगा, ठीक है। तो उसमें हमने डिस्टेंस कवर्ड जो फाइंड किया, इसमें भी वही फाइंड किया है, लेकिन उसमें ट्रेपेजियम की एरिया के लिए हमने रेक्टेंगल के एरिया प्लस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल के एरिया को प्लस करके और उसको फाइंड किया, आपने देखा। ये थर्ड इक्वेशन में भी डिस्टेंस कवर्ड के लिए आप ट्रेपेजियम का डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला यूज किए हैं, 1/2 सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड। यहाँ देखिए OACD जो ट्रेपेजियम है उसका एक पैरेलल साइड है OD, दूसरा पैरेलल साइड AC है और उसके बीच का डिस्टेंस OA, उसकी वैल्यू T है। तो वही मैंने लिखा है, देखिए यहाँ S इक्वल टू 1/2 OD प्लस AC इंटू OA। OD देखिए U है, AC क्या है, AC V है इंटू T। इसके बाद हमने u प्लस v को v प्लस u लिख दिया है, लिख सकते हैं। और v इक्वल टू यू प्लस एटी जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन है, यहाँ से ट्रांसपोजिशन के बाद आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं, दिखाया गया है t इक्वल टू v माइनस यू बाई टी, v माइनस यू बाई ए। यहाँ इसको हटाकर मैंने लिख दिया है v माइनस यू बाई ए, और जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो a प्लस बी ए माइनस बी आइडेंटिटी से ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर यानी v स्क्वायर माइनस यू स्क्वायर बाई ए हुआ। और क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन जब किया 2a इंटू एस इक्वल टू 2as, इधर राइट साइड में बचेगा v स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर, और फिर माइनस ए स्क्वायर इधर लाया तो प्लस यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2as इक्वल टू v स्क्वायर। इसको राइट ऑर्डर में लिखा, v स्क्वायर इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2as, v स्क्वायर इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2as। दैट इज द थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन। Okay, students? Thanks.